Hello friends, my name is SuNN and I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Mostly I demonstrate online, but 3 times a year I host a one-day in-person event at a local venue here in Kelowna, BC. I call it Crafting at the Lake House, and this series has become a fan favorite here on YouTube. Now I've been asked to sell the written tutorial of all 14 projects, so there is a PayPal link in the description box below. PayPal will direct you to a download site after payment where you can download the tutorials immediately. One more special mention, I have a limited number of event bags left over. If you'd like to be a part of this exclusive crafting event and have a special bag, please use the link below to fill out the form to get one. And if there is no link, I've been sold out. Anyway, there are 14 projects to share with you, so I better get started. Remember to like this video if you like it and subscribe to get notified when another video comes out. Hi friends, welcome to card number 7 of the Crafting at the Lake House series, and here we have a lot of products on my desk, starting with the Dainty Delight stamp set. There's also, let's see, this is a Pool Party Grosgrain Ribbon, we have Everything Fancy Sequins, we have Memento Tuxedo Black ink, we have blends markers, we have a blending brush, and I have made a mask here out of the layering circle dies, and I have also a quarter panel of basic white. I'm tucking that into the, I sort of made like a, it was just an easy mask holder thing. So we were able to stick our page in there, and it all was secure down for the attendees to use. Of course, if you were going to duplicate this card design, you're just going to manage, do your own thing. So I used the blending brush, say that a couple of times, and I went around the circle that was die cut from the layering circle dies. It was the largest die to make the mask, and I went around the edges, and I kind of wanted to keep the center like as white as I could. I'm inking up with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, which is the largest floral image of the flowers. And I'm stamping on that circle on sort of like the left-hand side mostly. I'm also going to put a bow at the end of the florals, so I didn't want to stamp them too far down. So here is one of the sentiments from the stamp set, and it is says "Celebrate You," and I'm stamping that in Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And I'm going to move off that, and we're going to get some close up, and we're going to do some coloring. So the blends markers that I used were, this is Polished Pink I'm starting off with, and then I move to Highland Heather, and we have Daffodil Delight, and we have Granny Apple Green. And I just realized that on the PDF, I called it Greed. Granny Apple Greed. It's not greedy. It's green. What a silly spelling mistake. It was a typo. So once I color all the bits and bobs, I will come back to you with more of my tutorial. Alrighty, so all the coloring has been done, and again, this basic white panel was 4 by 5 1/4, and I'm adhering it to the card base, and that card base is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. Scored at 4 1/4. This is the Pool Party Grow Grain ribbon. It's really affordable ribbon, and it's very soft, and it's exceptionally easy to tie. I'm tying it on the roll here because I'm trying to use as little ribbon as I can. But you know, I'm actually really decent about tying the bow on the ribbon, but sometimes I struggle when I have to tie around the card. All right, so these are my special ribbon scissors, and they've never been used on paper because they wouldn't cut as nicely on the ribbon if they had been. So I have a special one for just the ribbon, and I use all the others for the paper cutting. All right, so I thought I lost a glue dot, but I didn't lose it. It was on the roll. Stuck it to that bow and used my take your pick tool to peel up the glue dot and adhere my ribbon. So now I sort of do a random spray. So that means that I'm not placing them specifically. I wanted them to be a spray and random. So I dropped some on, liked where they were. I came in with, this is our multi-purpose liquid glue, and I dot right next to where the sequin is supposed to go. These sequins are called Everything Fancy sequins. You have many different colors. These are the blue ones, I believe. There's pink and green as well. And so I've taken the pokey part of the take your pick tool out of its holder, and it's almost like I'm doing surgery. So I'm placing the sequin on the dot of glue that I left, and the take your pick tool has a little putty sticky part, and my pokey tool that I'm holding in my left hand, I'm able to sort of just hold it down. And so you pick it up, hold it down. So there is my surgery done. That is my card done. Thank you so much for watching. I have everything listed in the description box below, and have a good one. Bye for now.